Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can link an experience to a Roblox group. So you have to make sure first that you will be creating your experience or your game on the group that you would want it to be in. So for example, here's my group. So what I will have to do is click it as the creator. And once you're on the creator dashboard, what you will have to do is go to your experience or create a new experience, and yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And then now the game will be under your group and not under your name or your username or your profile itself. So yeah, it will be the group's game or the group's experience and not just yours. So yeah, that's basically how you do it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.